Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. I hope you're having a great week. So thank you to everyone that participated in the Blitz last week. So we're not going to have anything on Tuesday. Last Tuesday we had a Zoom, and then on Friday and Saturday we had the Blitz. So that's plenty for a little while. Always remember, hope you hear the thunder there. It's about to storm. But anyway, we're building multiple income streams, so you need to be organized, okay? Some people can't find their passwords, so you need to write down your password, write down your username, keep it in a safe place. You know, if you need to email it to yourself in a code or something, then you need to do that. The company typically sends you your email with all of that information in it. So always encourage people to always sign up for all the free systems that we have. I've been paid by each system, so I know that they work, that you're going to get paid. So just focus on sharing a video. It's really that simple. So remember, if you have any technical issues, that's not something that your sponsor can deal with. So go right to support. I know, we wish we could wave a magic wand sometimes, but we can't. You know, if you have any challenges with any orders or anything like that, go straight to support. That's not something that your sponsor can help you with. You definitely want to let your sponsor know about it, but there's nothing that we can do with anything like that. So know when to contact support, know when to contact your sponsor. So remember, 5-minute phone calls, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guys, just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job. You know, if you build this business and lead with love and gratitude and joy, you're going to succeed. It's that simple. So leverage is definitely life-changing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each of you. And it is such a blessing to see some of you guys seeing the lights turned on. I'm like, oh my goodness. Yeah, some people sponsoring like 5 people in a day. That's phenomenal. So keep it up, guys. Payday is amazing. Remember, with the automatic builder, you can get paid today. Every day can be payday. So how phenomenal is that? So keep it up, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God's best to you. Let's connect, 618-223-6006. My website is won'tdoit.com, WONHEDOIT.com. So I just made it because it's just starting to rain. Have a great day. God's best.